You can see my screen, right? Everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Just allow me 1 minute to introduce myself. Then I'll ask your background, your purpose to come here at the coding square, right? So I'm going to illustrate more about myself. I'm having more than 13 years extensive experience in data science, machine learning with the statistic concept, Power BI, and Tableau. And then I moved to the different IT companies such as the GAFs. Previously, I was the GAF Technology Chennai, and then right now I am working as an BI developer at Teleperformance. So here I am working on data science related projects, BI developer, SQL, and different challenging potentials environment there, right? So as far as my projects are there, I had done projects on AWS, Azure, deep learning, prediction and modeling, image processing, etc. And my PhD is from Invertis University, Bareilly, and most probably this month, this year, this will be completed, right? Okay, this was the all about
सर
five. Yes,
सर पीएचडी का टॉपिक क्या था सर आपका?
deep learning for medical image processing. So
ओके,
I
डीप लर्निंग इन मेडिकल इमेज, ओके सर,
in
ओके।
medical image
और
processing.
सर अगर मान लो अगर कि जो स्टूडेंट बीटेक वगैरह नहीं किया ना एमटेक किया तो फिर उसके लिए कुछ दिक्कत है कोर्स?
नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं. What's your background? Okay. आपका
सर
background
मेरा
क्या है?
बैक कॉमर्स है सर, कॉमर्स।
No issue.
बैचलर।
I had completed my master's in commerce from BA and I was a topper of BA 21-22. And before that, I was an ISAF cooperative bank in government sector. And before ISAF, I was in HPCL as a mandatory inspection. And currently, sir, I'm looking for work from home opportunities due to some issues. And I want to shift my career in data science.
We had I think I suppose we had few sessions with you also, Isha, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, that's great. All right, you guys can see my image, right? My PPT.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
all right, all right. So we know that AI and machine learning, like why machine learning is using, why we have different platforms, right? So first, let me explain like where and why we will be using this machine learning, right? So let's take a very small example, like the data set at the real world example. Like if you eat number of chapatis in a day, the weight increase in your body will be 250 grams, right? This is the simple calculation, right? But when we move to the next part, let's say we have two more chapatis, so weight will be increases by 500 each day, right? If seven chapatis are there, like 725 weight increase will be there, or let's say approximate this would be 750, right? Let's say we had 10 chapatis in each day, so weight increase will be 1000 grams, right? So my question is, if you eat 12 chapatis in a day, what would be the weight increased in a day? How much weight you will be increased?
1250 grams.
1250 grams. Wonderful. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, that's a really good question. So the you have guessed the next number. This is 1250 grams, right? For your knowledge, this machine learning and data science is not for such kind of calculation, because we had the simple calculation like 1 250 by x, right? Whatever you will perform, this will be the value here, right? Let's say we have 125 value, so y is equal to 125x, so we can get the easily. If x is equal to 2, we will get 250, right? If x is equal to 4, we will get 500 grams, right? So this is the simple calculation and simple relationship there between the number of chapatis and weight increased, right? So machine learning is not for such kind of data set, for such kind of scenarios. Let's take another example where we are encountering the real world scenario. This is number of COVID patients and deaths. Can you see number of patients admitted in a hospital? So deaths are occurring 5 in a day. In the same fashion, 12 patients are admitted, so 12 deaths are occurred, right? Now 31 patients are there, then 19
Sir,
deaths are there. If 9 patients are there, then
sir,
22 deaths are there, right? Is there any
sir,
relationship between? Yes.
there's some disturbance is there from your side, sir.
Actually, firecrackers are there, right? So
So
we
try
have
to speak little bit Hindi word, means like
okay, I'll try, but
it will
कुछ
get more depth.
communication है जो
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
जी हाँ सर, क्लास प्लीज अपने हिंदी में लीजिए ना सर, थोड़ा सा क्या समझने में दिक्कत आती है।
वो तो बात ठीक है, लेकिन बेटा कुछ हमारे ना साउथ के कैंडिडेट है, जैसे विशाखापट्टनम से है, तेलंगाना से हैं, तो उन लोग को फिर वो लोग रेज करेंगे इशू। ऑलराइट, आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट। सो हमारे पास में जो नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स हैं वो हॉस्पिटल्स के हैं, राइट? और डेथ्स जो है वो आपको सेकंड कॉलम में दिखाई। Is there any relationship between this column to this deaths in a day? कोई relationship है?
No, sir.
No, right? So when you do not have any relationship, you can see the next number. Like if 17 patients are admitted, we have 3 deaths. तो कोई relationship नहीं है यहाँ पे। Now this 53 is again 25. Suddenly more patients are admitting, so we are having 25 deaths. But 12 number is there, then 19 deaths are occurring, right? Can you see this is repeating itself? The same data set is there. Number of patients, number of deaths. 12 दोनों जगह है, but deaths का जो number है वो अलग है। ऐसे केसेस में हम यूज करते हैं मशीन लर्निंग। सो मशीन लर्निंग इज यूज्ड इन real scenarios where we do not have relationship between the x-axis and y-axis. Is it connecting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can see the number of vehicles passed from toll plaza. Can anyone give the exact number? No, कोई नहीं बता सकता कि मंडे को टोल प्लाजा से कितने व्हीकल पास होंगे। Stock price prediction, movies and content based, AI assist medical diagnosis, developing self driving. All these are example of machine learning and data science. Right. So here is the image classification problem where we have classification, localization, and the object detection. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
automatically classification image for cat and dogs. Right? As far as this process or this project is concerned, this is purely machine learning. Now, is it also machine learning, everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is the part of robots and they are painting the car again and again. Everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yes, sir. This is also as a part of machine learning because it is doing automatically.
Hmm. But this is not the machine learning, this is just machine work. Reason being, here we have precision measurement. Over the car, they are repeating the same work, right? They are just doing the monotonous work जो उनको काम दिया गया है एक ही तरीके का, वो उसको डे बाय डे क्या कर रहे हैं, रिपीट कर रहे हैं और उसको परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. If you are giving any new challenge, they will be failed. They are not learning anything. Did you connect this part? Wherever there is no learning, there is no machine learning. If machine is not learning anything, not challenging, not visualization, means this is just machine work. All right. Here is the spam email classification. This is the machine learning part. Like, of course, on the basis of language, they are segregating into two classes: spam or not spam, right? But what about the Siri, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa? They are part of AI, not the machine learning, right? So we had the AI also, because they are not creating any new thing, they are not giving any new generation, new, not learning anything, so it's just part, just scrapping and giving the output. So this is the difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence just based on the set of rules, we have the rules and we are just giving the output, सर्च हिस्ट्री करके आउटपुट दे दिया. लेकिन मशीन लर्निंग में उसका लर्निंग है, वो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर रहा है डे बाय डे. So this is the subsection of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and sub learning, right? Here is the again a part, sub part. This is what? This is the generative AI, right? And also called chat GPT. आपने सुना होगा. कितने लोगों ने chat GPT का नाम सुना है?
Yes, sir, I have heard.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes, sir.
role of GPT?
I used sir.
Okay. क्या करता है chat GPT?
It will be the information what we required based on our information what we are giving to them.
Good. Really appreciate the remarkable. Okay, here is the some task. Sorting algorithm is what? Is it artificial intelligence or the machine work or machine learning or what?
It is machine work.
Okay. Anyone else? It's just a DSA part, data structure algorithm, right? It's not neither AI nor machine learning, not something else, right? What about this playing games, tic tac toe?
So, machine work, sir.
Yes, it is machine work or it is part of AI. Just following the set of rules and it's giving the output, right? Basic
Yes,
text
sir.
search is again the part of this
Yes.
AI, just giving the basic output, right? Not learning anything. So none of these are base machine learning example, right?
It,
So
uh,
yes, do we have any question, any query?
yes, sir. Sir, I'm asking that we can say that AI is a part of machine learning.
Yes. No, machine learning is part of AI.
So I'm getting confused.
No, like if you are learning anything, then it is machine learning, right? Okay, what is artificial intelligence? It's just set of rules and giving the output. Like आप कोई चेस खेलते हो तो चेस में बहुत सारे कंडीशंस होते हैं, राइट? आप उस कंडीशंस के बेस पर ये क्या करता है, उसको आउटपुट देता है, उसको आपको या तो विन करेगा या लॉस करेगा चेस में, राइट?
Yes, sir.
इज इट लर्निंग एनीथिंग? जो भी आप नया आप गेम खेलते हो, क्या उस पर लर्न कर रहा है?
नहीं.
नो. So learning जहां पर नहीं है, there we do not have this machine learning. It's just following the set of rules, hence we have the artificial intelligence. If it is
Okay.
learning something from the data set, from the images, from the video, from the audio, then we call it learning.
Okay.
And deep learning, where we had this one or this part, like anyone related to neural network and learning from the features itself, it's a deep learning.
Okay.
Okay, so here comes some Facebook introduces fact checking. So sometimes machine learning or deep learning also fails, right? Here you can say Facebook has introduced a fact checking alert to फाइट डिस्प्यूट कंटेंट, राइट? सो जो भी डिस्प्यूट कंटेंट होता है, जैसे कि आपका स्नैपचैट है, पेप्सिको है, राइट? और आपके जितने भी बिग कंपनीज हैं, दे उन्होंने कंटेंट को ऐड करने के लिए एक अपना फैक्ट चेकिंग ऐड किया है। आप जो भी कमेंट करते हो वो क्या करता है, तुरंत ही उसको क्या कर देता है, ब्लॉक कर देता है। आप कुछ भी अनयूजर चेक करो, आप उसे कुछ भी अब्यूजिव चेक करते हो, ऐड करते हो, तो ये मार्च 27 में इसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। और इसको ये क्या करता है, बहुत लार्ज स्पेस पे यूज करता है, राइट? नाउ so these are few examples, so I'm going to show some other example. Let's say we have the Scooby-Doo or some handwritten neural network, right? Can you see, this is the experiment where we are using handwritten, right? So let's say I'm going to write some class, right? Let's say I'm going to write class. Can you see, ये next जो word है उसको क्या कर रहा है, मुझे predict करके दे रहा है। Can you see what should be the
Yes.
next word? It should be
Double
S,
S.
double S, right? Can you see, ये जो न्यूरल नेटवर्क है ये हैंडराइटिंग को मेरी प्रिडिक्शन के लिए पहले से ही दे रहा है कि अब आप इस डायरेक्शन में मूव करो। कैन यू सी, इट्स गिविंग द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इटसेल्फ, राइट? नाउ टेल मी एनी वर्ड, बताओ, आप कोई भी वर्ड बताओ, बहुत ही कॉमन वर्ड बताओ, एनीवन?
Data.
हाँ, डेटा, ठीक है।
D
हाँ, क्या?
DAT data.
हाँ, so I'm going to just A, कैन यू सी, इसने टी को क्या करा, मुझे ओवर करके दे दिया कि टी बनाओ, राइट? कैन यू सी, इट्स प्रिडिक्टिंग एवरी टाइम, राइट? तो जो वैल्यू है वो हमारी जो लाइंस हैं, जो हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेटिंग है न्यू स्ट्राइक, इट्स जस्ट गिविंग, राइट? सो दिस इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट फॉर हैंड राइटिंग विद डीप लर्निंग। डिड यू कनेक्ट एवरीवन?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
यस,
sir. सर ये मतलब जो प्रेडिक्ट करता है, तो हम ऐसे ये हमारी वॉइस के थ्रू प्रेडिक्ट कर पा रहा है, या मतलब कैसे पता लगता है कि डेटा वर्ड है जैसे, तो उसे कैसे पता लगा कि डेटा ही है?
देखिए, आप जब कभी भी आप कुछ भी वर्ड लिखते हो, जैसे कि आपने लिखा सन, राइट? तो सन के बाद में, यू के बाद में नेक्स्ट जो वर्ड आता है वो ज्यादातर कौन से आते हैं, जैसे आर आता है, राइट? और एन आता है। और जैसे आप ऐसे ही देखो, एस यू से अगर मैं एस यू से कोई भी वर्ड बनाता हूं, तो इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट कौन कौन से वर्ड आ सकते हैं? जैसे मैं लगा लिखता हूं एस एन यू। अब आप
ई
बताओ मुझे, एस यू के बाद में कौन कौन से करेक्टर आ सकते हैं?
ई
सी, ठीक है, और
ई सर।
ई, ठीक है, और
बी बी बॉल
पी,
वाला।
अच्छा बॉल वाला, ठीक है, बी हो गया। और तो जो भी, जैसे आप आर ले लो सरप्राइज के लिए, ठीक है, आप एन ले लो सन के लिए, है ना? तो जो भी नेक्स्ट वर्ड है, इसके
एम
अलावा एक दो ही और होंगे, है ना?
एम एम।
एम, है ना, समेशन के लिए। तो यही जो
यस सर।
कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, ये उनकी कॉम्बिनेशन प्रोबेबिलिटी के बेस पर प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा है कि अगर ये दो कैरेक्टर हैं तो कौन है, ठीक है? अब आप देखो, अब आपने कहा कि एस यू आर, ठीक है, अब मैंने तीन वर्ड लिख लिए, ठीक है। अब एस यू आर लिखने के बाद में, एस यू आर के बाद में नेक्स्ट वर्ड कौन सा आएगा, आप बताओ? कौन कौन से
ई
आ
भी आ
सकते हैं?
सकता है, ई,
पी आएगा और
ई,
ई और तब देखो आप प्रोबेबिलिटी देखो कितनी कम हो गई, आपके पास चॉइस कितनी कम हो गई.
Sir, sorry for
yes,
interruption.
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
If you can simultaneously explain English, it will be good.
Yes, this problem will be remain like I'll try to speak in both the languages, right? So we had three words now. Now we had three words, and the next word is quite predictable. We had very less, very less choices there, right? So surprise. The word is surprise. So of course we have P here. Sure, we have E here, right? Or we have very less choices are here. So on the basis of next probability is going to experiment. Is this clear to everyone? So in the same fashion, we have next code. This is the neural network learn to recognize doodling. So what is the doodling here? It help you teach to adding drawing for the toddlers. Publicity help you machine learning research. Right? What is the? You have 20
will add,
seconds. Yeah, to draw braid. Right? So just already it's giving braid, but I need to draw a
I see
braid.
peanut, or clarinet,
Can you see
or megaphone, or pillow.
yes,
I see sleeping bag,
sleeping bag
or
or
eraser.
eraser or something? But I am
I
not
know, it's
creating.
bread.
It's a braid. Now it's creating, right? I need to create. So I'm having six. Right. So I need to create a cat. Right.
I see circle, or shoe, or sleeping bag,
Can you see
or frog.
whatever I'm going to?
I see short monster, or dog, or bird, or mouse. I see cat,
Can you see?
or dragon.
It's C cat.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Now I need to create the angel in 20 seconds. Right.
I see
So
green bean,
it
देखिए सर,
will be
ये
or
आप किस
mark,
चीज पे प्ले कर रहे हैं?
or book,
yes.
or bow tie. I see
ये किस चीज पे प्ले कर रहे हैं? मतलब एप्लीकेशन है या आपने नेट पे खोला हुआ है ये?
It's an
Oh, I
application.
know,
It's a
it's
machine.
angel.
It's a machine learning app, right? So bow tie. So I'm going to draw this
I
image,
see name.
and
Oh, I know, it's bow tie.
can you see stop sign, right?
I see moon, or circle, or balloon. Oh, I know, it's stop sign.
Can you see now stethoscope? I need to draw the stethoscope, and it
I
will
see
be
moon.
recognize this.
Oh, I know, it's stethoscope.
Can you see how many I have corrected? This braid I have corrected drawn, right? This black cat is not correctly seen. Can you see this one is a cross? This angel is correctly drawn by me. This bow tie is was also recognized correctly. This is stop sign. This one. So out of six, I drawn five correctly. Did you find figure it out?
yes, sir.
So this is based upon machine learning, where we have widget data to see 50 million drawings, right? Okay, so if you will draw, if you share this website. This is the website name. I'm going to share this website name. You can try at your end also, right? And you can add the drawing made by other real people on the internet, right? Right? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Can you see? We are helping and teaching and publicity to help machine learning research, right? Okay. So let's see what is the another. So it's just auto draw. Let's see. Can you see? It's auto draw. Same, I'm going to use the auto draw, right? Let's say I'm going to create any random. Can you see? It's giving suggestion. So many suggestions are there. Let's say I'm creating more and more object, right? Can you see? This is giving. Can you see the suggestion at the top,
Yes,
right? If I select this tab, now it is the perfect image. Can you see how poor my drawing was? Now how good it is. If I want to select this one, so this is the correct output. All right. If I refresh it, okay. Now tell me which object object I am going to. I need to select this one. Anyone?
It's mailbox.
Huh? What should I
Mailbox.
draw? Huh?
Mailbox.
Mailbox.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. How to draw mailbox? Right. Okay. I'm just creating a box. Let's see. Is it your choice?
No, sir. It's a cube.
Okay. Is it? Or you can see select anything.
No, sir.
Actually, I'm not drawing
Yes, sir.
properly,
Yes, sir. Yes,
right? If you're creating more
yes, yes.
objects, so you will be getting this precision bar here, right? So this is the auto draw option. Let's say I'm creating this sun, right? Can you see this sun option
Yes,
is
sir.
there? This is the sun. This is the prediction. If you select any one, so you have the more options there. Can you see? So this is the part of auto draw. सो उसके बेस पे आप जो कोई भी क्लियर करते हो तो ये इमेजेस वहां पर सजेस्ट कर देता है और वो आपको एक उसके रेलेवेंट वैल्यू दे देता है राइट डू वी हैव एनी डाउट टिल हियर
No, sir.
ओके सो I'm going to click this W2 and you can click OK and you can try at your end how beautifully it is. Who is going to try this one? Oh, who is going to? Can you see? This will be the output of your image. Right? So whatever image will be there, it will create the accurate movement, right? Who
So
is going
somehow
to
like clip art.
somehow like?
Clip art.
Yes, it is. Right? Okay. So go to the XPQT. Okay. So what we will be seeing in the visualization part, you can see this is the visualization and where we different type of visualization, right? If you want to see, this is the visualization, this is the R graph, right? This is the bar chart, right? And different objects are there, right? Their purposes are there for data and text. We will be focusing on their descriptive part, their area graph, right? Their mathematic backgrounds, right? We will see where we will be using bar chart, we will column chart, right? So we will be using all these different charts there, right? So this would be the horizontal and vertical bars. So if you want to read more about these data analytics parts, so you must have basic idea regarding this bubble, bullet chart, calendar, box and whisker plot, right? So this is the visualization part. We will see in the next sessions as well, right? Now let's say the mathematical dimension is concerned. So we are having 200 dimension data set. This is the dimension data set, and you can see this is just creating the different origin. Can you see what is this dimension part? Let's say I'm having this min set with images.
वाला मत करना मत करना
What it is? Can you see?
Line.
Number.
This is what?
Num-
These are
numbers are
numbers.
lined.
right? And the labels itself, right? Let's say we have the edited by, you can edit this one. Let's say you can download this video. Let's say I'm going to